القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Let us practice another few verses of the Quran, and this is Surah number 90. It's called Surah Balad, in the 30th juz. So this is one that you will probably be learning quite quickly. So it's important that you get the practice correct. Let's start with normal ta'awudh and the tasmiyah, and then we'll do these 3 times in which you can read along, and then I will do it once again as normal. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لا أقسم بهذا البلد لا أقسم بهذا البلد لا أقسم بهذا البلد وأنت حل بهذا البلد وأنت حل بهذا البلد وأنت حل بهذا البلد ووالد وما ولد ووالد وما ولد ووالد وما ولد لقد خلقنا الإنسان في كبد لقد خلقنا الإنسان في كبد لقد خلقنا الإنسان في كبد أيحسب أن لن يقدر عليه أحد أيحسب أن لن يقدر عليه أحد أيحسب أن لن يقدر عليه أحد يقول أهلكت مالا لبدا يقول أهلكت مالا لبدا يقول أهلكت مالا لبدا أيحسب أن لم يره أحد أيحسب أن لم يره أحد أيحسب أن لم يره أحد. So before I continue, there's some things which I've noticed here which it would be good to pay attention to point out. So number 1, here's the iqlab, okay, and this has a med on it. This is the iqlab. This is idgham with the ghunna, so the tanween is going into the waw without a shadda, but still being going into there. This is where we're missing the alif and we're missing the hamzatul wasl and we're going to the lam. And here we can see that this hamza this noon is not being read. ألن يقدر, sorry, ألن يقدر. So this hamza is going directly to the lam, okay, because the noon gets fully assimilated into the lam, and the lam is going directly into the ya because the noon, the ghunna, goes over here, okay. So the noon is being directly assimilated to the lam, so it sounds like the hamza is going directly to the lam. And this noon is partially being assimilated into here, that's why there's a ghunna. So there's no ghunna in this one, but there's a ghunna in the second one. For example, أَيَحْسَبُ أَلَّن يَقْدِرَ, okay, أَلَّن يَقْدِرَ. So that's something you need to be careful about. Now here we've got the diminutive waw, and underneath it, in this computerized program, it doesn't come properly, but in the mushaf what you'll have is you'll have the diminutive waw, which comes below, and then on top of it you'll have the med. So that's a 4-count med, something which is normally taught in the Tajweed lesson, but as it's come up now, this is something you should be careful about. So if there's a diminutive waw, or a ya for that matter, and there's a med, that's a 4-count med. So I'm going to read this myself now, and you can follow along. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لا أقسم بهذا البلد وأنت حل بهذا البلد ووالد وما ولد لقد خلقنا الإنسان في كبد أيحسب أن لن يقدر عليه أحد يقول أهلكت مالا لبدا أيحسب أن لم يره أحد.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Assalamu alaikum. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it, as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.